Today we'll replace the brushes on this old chop saw. This is a simple, straightforward job, just requiring some brushes and a few screwdrivers. I'll start by unplugging the tool. While I'm performing this little operation, I'm also going to take the opportunity to take this plate off. You don't need to, but I like to use it as a chance to have a look inside, make sure everything's clean. Now there are two places where the brushes are mounted. You can see one here, you can see one here. To remove the brushes, just turn counterclockwise. They shouldn't be too tight, and when you tighten them back up again, you don't want to over tighten them. Brushes pop out fairly easily. Now the second one. Installing the new brush, the carbon is going to line up with the flat slot, and after that goes in, these tines on the contact are going to follow. That goes in, and those go in. To install the cap, hold the brush in place and feed the cap in on an angle so that it holds the brush. And then tighten snug, but not over tight. Putting in the second one. Replace the vent grill. I took this opportunity to take a wire brush to it, put some fresh rust paint on it, breathe a bit of new life into it. Plug it in, you should be ready to roll.